Achieve looking for a way to bond stainless steel without welding. Welcome to this video. We're going to introduce you to a superior alternative, ADINOX M422, a structural adhesive designed for stainless steel bonding. Stainless steel is one of the main materials used in the industry due to its properties. It stands out for its aesthetic appeal, as well as its structural strength and corrosion resistance. Additionally, because of these properties, it does not require coatings, meaning its final finish remains the same material. The traditional methods for joining stainless steel include rivets, which compromise its aesthetics, and welding, which has some drawbacks, such as visible marks and even perforation of thin sheets. The ADINOX M422 bonding technique does not require a minimum gauge, allowing for cleaner and more aesthetic joints. Beyond deformation and burning, welding presents another challenge when combining different metals such as stainless steel, carbon steel, and other steel alloys. In this demonstration, we will bond stainless steel with carbon steel, using carbon steel as the structure and covering it with stainless steel sheets. In a traditional setup, conventional methods would lead to galvanic corrosion due to the interaction between the two different alloys, inevitably causing oxidation. With ADINOX M422, we create an insulating layer that prevents this interaction, forming a structural bond while also sealing the joint. ADINOX M422 is a methyl methacrylate structural adhesive with a 10:1 mix ratio -10 parts resin to 1 part catalyst. To begin, pull the trigger to move the applicator lever back and insert the cartridge. Engage the safety lock to prevent the applicator's force from releasing the cartridge. Before applying the adhesive, surface preparation is minimal unless working with aluminum, which generates an oxide layer. It is recommended to clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol or soap and water to remove impurities or grease. Before placing the nozzle, perform a purge to ensure a homogeneous mixture. Check the nozzle alignment. The larger orifice on the 10-part section must align with the pivot of the nozzle. Once aligned, turn it halfway to lock it in place. After securing the nozzle, perform a second purge until a uniform color appears, ensuring proper mixing of both adhesive components. Then proceed with the application. The curing process has multiple stages. Open time lasts 4 to 6 minutes, allowing for manipulation and positioning of the parts. After this time, movement is not recommended as the chemical bonds begin to form and may break. Working time. The bonded assembly must remain stationary for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on temperature. Warmer conditions accelerate curing, while colder conditions slow it down. During this stage, polymerization occurs and movement may compromise adhesion strength. After this stage, the bonded structure can undergo painting, machining, or other post-processing steps. The adhesive should be applied in vertical beads or a zigzag pattern. Excess adhesive can be cleaned during the open time without damaging the stainless steel. Once cured, the adhesive can only be removed mechanically. To store the product, remove the nozzle, turn it a quarter turn, and replace it with the cap. Discard the nozzle, as the adhesive inside will continue curing. The remaining product in the cartridge will remain usable as long as the two components do not mix. Store at room temperature, avoiding temperatures above 52 degrees Fahrenheit or below 86 degrees Fahrenheit. To acquire ADINOX M422, contact an authorized distributor. If you're interested in becoming a distributor, fill out our form and one of our advisors will reach out to you.